What's up, guys? Welcome back to 2816. Right now we're looking at wrecked vehicles, potentially to purchase and possibly purchase and rebuild. Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. There's a diffuser. Jeez, dude. Holy crap. Oh yeah, that thing is demolished. Oh, yeah. Guys, look at this wrecked Hellcat. Holy crap. This thing is demolished. You guys think that we could rebuild this? I think we could.
This is what we came for. Is it locked?
What happened to it? Is it just water damage?
Water damage. That's it.
Oh, so electrical.
Yep.
Alright guys, what do you guys think about me buying this Lamborghini and rebuilding it?
Okay, not to take away from the Lamborghini, but look at that tailpipe.
Oh my gosh.
I can fit my whole head in it.
Holy crap. Look at that thing. Alright, so apparently all that's done to it is water damage. So most likely a lot of electrical work that we'll have to do. But honestly, it could be worth it. Alright guys, so we're still here with the Lamborghini. We're debating on, it's not up for auction yet.
Taking it home.
We're not taking it home yet, it's not up for auction yet. So we're waiting on them to post it. But it will be a crazy build for the channel. What do you guys think? Should we get this or should we get the Hellcat? I'm in an Amazon vest right now. They're in an FSU safety vest. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Absolutely.
They also have this Porsche Panamera 4. Still don't know what's wrong with it. I don't see any body damage roughly. Nothing really body damage wise. I personally think another water damaged vehicle, especially with the floods that we had last year. It was ridiculous on this one. So that's what I'm thinking. Oh, you even got the red seats inside. Please explain that analogy again.
The hard part is the rim. Mm-hmm. This is the tire. This is the wheel.
Oh! Uh-oh, guys, we're in trouble.
What's that? Yep, got my receipt.
It's reflective.
Oh, it has to be yellow? Oh.
Oh, I mean, it's reflective.
Right. Oh, cool, thank you.
Whose Hellcat is, or Scat Pack is demolished. Oh, the Model T! No, I really want this. Like, I'm not kidding. Can you imagine us having this? Guys, look at this Model T. Is it a Model T? Jalen, what is it then?
It's not a Model T.
Oh, okay then. I told you.
And it was a Ford. That's what I said Ford.
Like, this is one of the first cars ever built.
Yeah, third one.
By Henry Ford in Detroit, Michigan. Guys, look at this thing. Oh my God. Holy crap.
Ooh. Look at that.
Jeez.
Ouchies. Oh, that rear window is gone.
Oh yeah. This dude, like, did he roll? No, he didn't roll it, but yeah.
And the way.
And the whole sides.
Oh, there he is. Right there.
Jeez, dude, look at this thing. Guys, which one should we buy to rebuild? I don't know about this one. Or crazy. This?
Shoot, man,